today I'm just going to be doing a regular get ready with me, except I'm going to be doing a voiceover for this one because I am really sick. You can probably tell I've got a little bit of a cold, so if you want to see my get ready with me, then keep watching. So I actually was not recording when I started doing my foundation, so I apologize for that, but I'm just putting on my foundation with a kabuki brush. I'm using the Rimmel Lasting Finish 24-hour breathable foundation in the color 303. I really love this foundation. It's a super light to medium coverage and really comfortable to wear. Next, I'm using my Fit Me concealer from Maybelline in the color 10. Personally, I prefer to use a beauty blender for my foundation and concealer, but I completely forgot to go wet it and wash it, and I was already filming, so I just kind of used my kabuki brush and used this smaller kabuki brush just for my concealer. To set my concealer, I used the Maybelline Master Fix Baking Powder. I really did not like it. It was my first time trying it. I probably will not use it again. To set the rest of my face, I'm using the Australese Fresh and Flawless powder in the color medium tan. Next, I'm using a Mecca eyebrow brush just to brush my eyebrows, clean them up a little bit. And for my eyebrows, I'll be using the Australese Oh Hey Brow Kit. I'm starting off with the eyebrow gel that comes in the kit. It comes in a dark brown shade, and I'm just using that to outline my eyebrows. I do not have the most thick of brows, so I kind of need to add a little bit more to them. With a thicker eyebrow brush, I'm now going over my eyebrows with a powder. I normally start out with the darker brown shade and then go over that with the lighter brown shade just to lighten everything up a little bit, as they can get a little dark sometimes. And just to avoid any fallout, I do go over my face with a powder brush with no extra product on it, just what was ever left over from before. And if you were wondering, I do have eyelash extensions, so just to tame them, I just brush them out a little bit, which is something you do need to do regularly. And just to set my eyebrows, I'm using a NYX eyebrow gel. The shade is a little light for my liking, but I do really like this product. For bronzer, I'll be using the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I'm using a tapered bronzing brush. I'm working that under my cheekbones, lightly under my chin, and bringing that up to my forehead. To contour, I'm using a Model Co bronzer in a darker shade, and with a small contour brush, just applying it under my cheekbones, and then everywhere else I put my bronzer, but very lightly. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk Palette. This is my first time using the palette, so I just wanted to have a little bit of a play around with it and just see what the colors actually look like on my eyes. I'm taking the color Eden and just working that above my eyelid. Taking what's left on my brush and adding that under my eyes, and then I'm going to be taking the color Amber and adding that to my eyelids. And then again, just adding what's ever left on my brush and adding that under my eyes. I like to move around when I'm doing my makeup. I don't just like to stick to one part of my face at a time. With my powder brush, I'm just cleaning up underneath my bronzer. I haven't added any extra product on it. It's just whatever's left over from before. So,
hey, what you doing?
Filming a video.
Well, what about?
Doing my makeup.
What tips are you giving us?
Just like an everyday look. Nothing too crazy. Yeah.
Alright. We've got a natural.
I'm taking my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette and using the color Ibiza. I'm just going to be highlighting the tops of my cheeks. You can probably tell that I'm talking to my mum still because she called me while I was filming this video, but you know, my mum always comes first. Even when I'm filming videos, I still love talking to her. And if you've watched my videos before, you know I'm using my favorite blush, which is a Blush Baby from MAC. I have about 5 of them in my makeup drawer right now because it's my favorite, so I'm just adding that to my cheeks. I like to smile when I'm putting my blush on. I just think it helps. So now I'm taking the lip pencil from Australia's in the color Misbehave and lining my lips with it. I actually love this color and I wear it by itself all the time, just as a lipstick.
I'm very excited about tomorrow.
Me too, I'm excited.
It's going to be great. And have you heard of Scotty?
Yeah. So I'm just taking a blending brush with nothing on it and just blending out my eyeshadow, blend the two colors I've used together. So I'm taking the color Blood Moon and with a blending brush, I'm just putting that on my lids. I used a blending brush because I didn't want the shimmer to be too intense. I'm now just going over my highlighter again and with another blush brush with nothing on it, I'm just going over my blush just to make it not so intense. And then I'm using the new NYX Lingerie lip gloss and I'm just going over my lip liner and it's kind of changed the color to match my eyeshadow exactly, which gives a nice monochromatic look. Okay, my look is done. This was a really quick look. I wasn't going for anything crazy. I was trying out some eyeshadows and I did it really fast. But if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and comment below if there's anything that you'd like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!